Now we're going to look at valuing our ending inventory, and then we'll do a quick reconciliation between the net income under absorption costing and the net income under variable costing. Okay, so we are still on worksheet 1. This will be the last video with worksheet 1. Our ending inventory, we're given our ending inventory in units here, so our ending inventory under absorption costing is going to be ending inventory in units times our product cost per unit, and under absorption costing, that's 26. So we end up with, let's just get these things formatted nicely. We're going to end up with $260,000 in ending inventory. Under variable costing, we're going to multiply our ending inventory of 10,000 times our variable product cost per unit of 18, and we're going to get $80,000. The difference between those two ending inventories for this year is going to be $80,000. And that difference is the difference between what we expensed in fixed overhead under absorption and what we expensed under fixed overhead for variable. Okay, so if we look, our variable or our absorption net income minus our variable net income is 80,000, and that difference is the difference between what we expensed for fixed overhead and absorption minus what we expensed for fixed overhead and variable. Let's do this again. Okay, so $80,000, and that $80,000 ended up in inventory because we produced more than we sold. Let's go to 2019. In 2019, our ending inventory is 25,000 units times $26 per unit under absorption, and $25 or 25,000 units times $18 a unit under variable. There's a little formatting. Okay, so now we had net income in absorption of 1570 minus net income under variable of 1,450,000. So it's a difference of 120. And when we look at what we expensed for fixed overhead and absorption minus what we expensed for fixed overhead and variable, same 120,000. So the reason our net income is higher is because we sold less than we made. So some of those fixed overhead costs under absorption end up here in our ending inventory, whereas in variable costing, all of our fixed overhead costs were expensed. All right, let's look at 2020, where we sold more than we made. So first, let's do our ending inventory. Our ending inventory is 10,000 units times, for absorption, $26 per unit, or 260,000. And for variable, 10,000 times $18 a unit, or 180,000. Gives us our ending inventory. There we go. And if we want to reconcile between our two net incomes, our net income under absorption was $2,230,000 minus our net income under variable, which was $2,350,000. So it's actually higher under variable by $120,000. And in the current year, in 2020, we expensed $920,000 of fixed overhead costs under absorption, and under variable, we expensed $800,000 of variable costs or fixed overhead costs, and it's that same $120,000. Net income is higher under variable costing because the amount of fixed overhead we expensed was less, and that's because we sold more units than we made. Okay, that's going to wrap us up here. For the next video, we're going to go to the second worksheet, so worksheet number 2. I will see you there.